Hello everyone, Carlos here with Caribbean Breeze HVAC. Today we're doing a position tune-up. We just finished washing the condenser here and we're doing the final steps of our tune-up. Right now we're checking the pressures and making sure the system is working properly. According to the stats, the system may be a little bit undercharged, so we can go ahead and add refrigerant to get to the proper cooling, proper temperatures and the proper subcool. Because as you can see, this unit right here is a train, it's a matching equipment, and according to the manufacturer's specification, the required subcool on this unit is 10 degrees. And right now we're only getting at 2.7 to 3 degrees subcool. So it just shows it may be a little bit undercharged. So we might have to add probably an ounce or two to the system to get it to the proper charge as the manufacturer requirement, and that way the unit can work properly and to its maximum efficiency and BTU rating. Again, this is Carlos Cazanas with Caribbean Breeze HVAC. If you have any questions, contact us at 504-323-4945, or you can email us at caribbeanbreezehvac@gmail.com, or you can follow us on Facebook, or you can visit our website at www.cb-hvac.com, or follow us on Twitter. Again, this is Carlos Cazanas with Caribbean Breeze HVAC. Have a blessed day.